This is Devin Croswell, the Sherpa Design, and we are going to take a look at a new interaction within the sketch environment for Designcenter NX 2512. So I'm going to go ahead and create a sketch so we can jump into that environment. And as we're creating our curve objects, we no longer have the profile tool, which we've had in previous versions of NX. This was also true in 2506. And so I can create a line and it just stays attached like it would normally in the profile tool in previous versions of NX. Only now I'm maybe picking the arc to switch, but I don't want to always come up to the arc tool to switch back and forth between arc and line. And so we have a new gesture for that. It used to be, say, hover over that last placed point and click, hold, and drag, and it would switch that. Now I can hold Control on my keyboard and drag away, and it will now switch between that, even if I'm in just the line tool. So if I'm creating a line here and I hold down Control and I drag away, it'll create or switch to the arc tool. I don't have to travel all the way up to my toolbar to do that, and it will now stay in that arc tool. And if I hold Control again, I can then switch back to my line and start drawing my lines. Hold Control and switch. If I want to switch the direction of my arc, I can also hold and switch, and I can keep switching back and forth just by holding my Control key. So if I want to go back this way with my arc, I can do that, switch back to line. So able to quickly switch back and forth multiple times with just holding the Control button and then dragging from my location. And because we no longer have that profile tool, the interactions from the profile are just in the standalone tools for line and for arc. So we can use these tools and that interaction to quickly switch between line and arc and draw in our profiles for our designs. And this is a new option, a new way of doing this inside the sketch environment within Designcenter NX 2512.